Obtain the optimum strategies for a two-person zero-sum game whose payoff is as follows. You need to obtain the optimum strategies and the value of the game. Right, so I said you that whenever a game problem is given to you, try to look at the order of the given matrix, payoff matrix. You have two persons A and B. With respect to A, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A has 6 strategies and B has 2 strategies. Obviously, one of the player has only 2 strategies. So, the order of this matrix is nothing but 6 by 2. So, you have again, even though you know, again I am repeating that, you have 4 different methods of solving a game problem. Saddle point technique, mixed strategies and graphical method. Saddle point can be applied to any order of the matrix, whether it's a square or rectangle. Mixed strategies can only be applied to 2 by 2. Graphical can only apply to 2 by n or m by 2 game. So first, whenever I think here in this question it's not specified to use either graphical or this or this. You should check. First check whether it is as a saddle point or not. Check that, find maxi-min and mini-max point. If those two are equal, you can use the saddle point method. Clearly, if you check it, it doesn't have a saddle point. So, we cannot use this method. And also we cannot use mixed strategies as this is of order 6 by 2. Moreover, the leftover method is nothing but graphical method. To use the graphical method, in the previous problem also we have discussed, it should be either 2 by n. One of the strategies of a player should have only 2. Here in the previous one, first player has only 2 strategies which comes under 2 by n. So we have used a method there. Similar, with a little bit difference, we are going to use here also m by 2. M by 2 means we have a variable number of strategies with respect to player A, and with respect to player B we have exactly 2 strategies. So in the previous one, likewise in the previous one, you consider we'll convert this m by 2 matrix into 2 by 2 and we are going to use the mixed strategies method. Got it? Here we use this method graphical in the first stage and we will convert that into mixed strategies and we will use the mixed strategies to obtain the optimum strategies there. Let us consider this as origin here. This is axis 2 and axis 1. So we have some negatives also. Let us consider here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here negative 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 4. What is the first one? You have 1, 2, 3. From here you start. This is 1 and this is 3. Join these two. So which represents the first strategy. Okay. Let us call this as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. So this represents A1 here. Okay, 1 to 1 is 3. Second one, 3 to 5. From 3 to 5. This represents A2. Next one, minus 1 to 6. From here to here. Join these two. This is A3. Next one, 4 to 1. From here, this is 4 here, 1. Join these two, A4. 2, 2. A5. Minus 5, 0. This is 0 here. This is the last one. So plot all the strategies of the by linear equations. First one, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, minus 3. Here 1 to here. A1 is not this one. A1 is 1 2 minus 3 A1. So represent x1 is nothing but 3 to 5. Next one is nothing but minus 1 to 6, 2 to 2, 4 to 1 and minus 5 to 0. Now as it is of order m by 2, as it is of order m by 2, what is the order of the given one? It is in the form of m by 2. In the previous one, if it is of n by 2, you have considered the lower envelope. Here we are going to consider the upper envelope. In the previous one, you have considered lower envelope with highest value. Here we are going to consider the upper envelope with least value. I think this is the upper envelope here. Means nothing but the upper part of this. Here you need to, in the upper, you consider the upper envelope of the envelope of the given region, and out from this upper one you identify the minimum point or the lowest point from this region. This is nothing but the upper envelope. From this upper envelope, this is one point, another point, 4 points you have. Out of these 4 points, I think this is H. H is nothing but the least point from the upper envelope. This least point is a combination of these two lines, 4 to 1 and 3 to 5. Okay, 4 1 3 5. So using the least point in the upper envelope, you have converted the 6 by 2 matrix into by considering the lowest point in upper envelope we have converted 6 by 2 into 2 by 2 payoff. I think the least point obtained at H is the combination of two strategies called, what is the first called A2, and that is a combination of two strategies A2 comma A4. So write down here player A, player B. Here you are going to write A2, A4. What is A2 payoff here? 3 5 and 4 1. Means you have converted 6 by 2 into 2 by 2 by considering, as it is of 6 by 2 1, you have considered the upper envelope with the lowest point, and the lowest point is a combination of two strategies A2 A4. So I think we can use here mixed strategies method. What is A11 here? 3. A12 here is 5. A21 here is 4. A22 is 1. A11 1 2 2 1 2 2. So what are the formulas for mixed SA? Consists of mixed optimum strategies for A. Originally you have A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. But in this 2 by 2 you have A2, A4. Except those, you place all other as 0. For these two, you are going to represent with P1 comma P2. What is SB? What is the order of B? Has only two strategies, B1 and B2. You are going to write that with Q1 and Q2. Got it? As A2 and A4 are in the 2 by 2 payoff, remaining all are probability 0. Now, what are the formulas for P1, P2, P3 in mixed strategies? How do you write P1? P1 as A22, this is A22, no? A22 minus A21. A22 minus A21 by diagonally. This is A11, A12, A21, A22. For P1, you will consider A22 minus A21 by, you need to add these two elements. A11 plus diagonal elements you need to add, minus another diagonal is A12 plus A21, which is nothing but what is A22 here? 1 minus 4 minus 1 by 3 5 4 1 A11, A12, A21, A22. So this is nothing but A22 minus A21, 4 minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Yeah, here 1 minus 4 it is. 1 minus 4, which is nothing but minus 3 by 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 9, which is nothing but minus 5, which is nothing but 3 by 5. What is P2? 1 minus P1, which is nothing but 2 by 5. Similarly, what is the formula for Q1? Q1 formula is nothing but, you should take the difference of A22 minus A12. With this, A22 minus A21 is one combination. Next one, A22 minus A12 by the diagonal elements are to be added to the same denominator. What is A22 here? 1 minus, what is A12? 5 by 3 plus 1 minus 5 plus 4, which is nothing but 4 by 5. What is minus minus will get cancelled somehow. 1 minus Q1, which is nothing but 1 by 5. So you have calculated P1, P2, Q1, Q2. What is the formula for value of gain? Value of gain. What is the formula for value of gain? The diagonal elements are to be multiplied. That is A11, A22 minus A12, A21 by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. So you will get that as 17 by 5. Therefore, SA is nothing but A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. I think for all these, the A1, A3, A5, A6, 0. How much you got P1? 3 by 5, 2 by 5. What is SB? We have only two strategies, B1, B2, which is nothing but 4 by 5, 8 by 5. Thank you.